Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, January 5th, and we are here fixing the detour. Me and my brother, I just dumped a load of soil here. We need this place to get money. This guy is just working over there, making this new braid, wood braid, and this is it. We have a lot of mud here, almost got stuck here yesterday, and today we are here to fix it. This is it. The other guys don't give a shit about, but we need this detour to go to the river and come back home taking sand, and this is it. Not a big deal, but someone has to do it. And this is us, just working here. Look, they are hammering this stake. It's awesome. Tá bom.